Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I am reading this book, The Laws of the Spirit World. In the earlier videos, I have covered about the foreword and the paraphrase, and the topics I have already said to you in the earlier video. And in these videos, I will be starting the book, right? And the part one begins here. And the part one is the spirit communication from the journals of Khurshid Bhavnagari, and the part 1, the topic is the real laws of the god, and the date is 14th 4 1918 81 14 April 1981. And for more updates, you can do one thing: you can subscribe my channel and like my video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So I will start, right? The real laws of the god. My dearest mom and dad, this is Vipsi and Ratu speaking from the spirit world to make people on the earth understand through you how to follow the right path, God Almighty's own path. So, my dearest mom, write this book for us and let your world know about the spirit world, about the laws and the rules of the God Almighty, which is misunderstood by people on the earth, and about the realms in the spirit world. So here, Vipsi and Ratu is telling to her mother that you tell what are the real laws of the God and how God feels about the this world, so that we people have a misconception about the spirit world. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to his mother that you tell to this world about the spirit world, how it is, in the first paragraph. Now, the next paragraph. It is quite wrong to believe everything that your priest tells you. And what great philosopher preach about the real justice of our God Almighty. They don't know all. They or you will come to know all only when you leave from the earth plane. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling here. So we have a perception about the spirit world by somebody tells us, like some philosopher, the spirit world is like this, the spirit world is like that, and we make a perception in regards to that. But Vipsi and Ratu is telling this is completely wrong in regards to that. A real person comes to know about the spirit world when he or she leaves this body. Your earth plane and go to the spirit plane, when it will not take just a few pages or few chapter, not even a few book to explain to you what real justice is. It will take you ages to learn what our God truly wants from us. Vipsi and Ratu is telling that ki exactly what God truly wants from us, we will be knowing this once we leave the body, and it will take many life we have to come here to know that, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling. So our efforts to explain that this to you may not prove quite satisfactory, but we from the spirit world want our dear. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling ki whatever we tell, we may not give the all the answers of the people living in this world, but how much we could give, we will give. Once and all earth people to know what is truth is to know that you are making many mistakes just because of some silly notions. Vipsi and Ratu is telling, as we people have many silly notions who are living in this world, so we make a very much mistake to understand the spirit world and to understand the God, or because of what some man who is supposed to be holy and physiophical tells psychological tells you something, what they say is quite the opposite of our God Almighty real rules and regulation. Vipsi and Rato is telling ki what psychological people tells about the God is completely wrong, and the spirit world is completely different from the perception and notion that we people have about the spirit world and God. At this time on earth, when evil and bad souls are on top and good souls are suffering, we feel this book will explain to you why, yes, why bad souls seems to be succeed and good souls suffer. Vipsi and Ratu is telling ki many a times we have a perception that many bad souls get success in their life and good souls keep on struggling and they do not get success. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling I will give you the reason why the those were good people who suffer and why bad people they easily get success in their life. Good souls want to blame our dearest God Almighty for being unjust toward them. So read on my dears and you will find many answers. So many a time what happens, all the good souls tell whatever is happening in our life, it is just happening on God. So whatever happens in our life, we just blame the God for the reason. But Vipsi and Ratu is telling that he will tell why and what is happening to us. So here, friends, comes to an end of this the real laws of the God. And now next is improvement through self analysis, which I will be telling you on the next video, because as I said the book is this long, right? And I cannot cover all the topics in a single video. So what I will be doing is I will be covering all the topics in a particular video, in one video, so that you people could understand it. And for more details, you subscribe my channel, you like and hit the notification bell button, and you can also connect me on Instagram. So you can do one thing. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYU BHATTATTACHARJEE 1906. And if you want to mail me, then you can email me also at abhimanyubhattacharjee1906 @gmail.com. And you can do one thing, if you don't find me on Instagram, if you just scroll this page, and last I have given that Instagram ID, so if you click there you will directly come on my page. So there I do food blogging. So in Instagram I'm a food blogger, so I keep on posting different food related videos and food related posts, so you can visit there. If you have any doubt, you can directly connect to me. And I will always recommend this book, The Laws of the Spirit World, to all of you guys to read, because this book is really good. And if you feel, you everybody should read this book. Thank you.